how do you protect their mental health as you're doing this Hell University series?
Aware naman po tayo sa audience natin, no? Kaya tinitimpla din natin kung paano ipoportray yung mga patayan. And syempre with the help of the management din, may mga bagay na maaaring i-temper, pero at the same time, at the heart of this story, ang nakafocus tayo sa nakafocus tayo sa friendship at nakafocus tayo sa love story ni Zayn at ng ating Supremo po. Doon po iikot ang ang kwento ng Hell University. Although ang milyo po natin is dark and may konting gore po, we'll make sure po na this is still good for a general audience.
Follow up ko lang kay Aubrey sa kay Lance. Lance, this is your parang second project together, di ba? How do you compare your character here dun sa mga previous character that you've done dun sa past series ng Vivo 1?
Para sa akin, malaki po yung pagkakaiba ni Doc Clyde and ni Reyes. Kasi syempre yung ginawa namin ni Aubrey nung umpisa, rom-com, and then now it's like a thriller yung genre namin. So iba yung dynamics ng acting doon. And here kasi iba na yung galawan ni Reyes eh. For example, how is he gonna react to the Bloody Nights? Nung Avenues of the Diamond namin wala na pong ganun na nangyayari. So it's a very different story for the both of us now po.
Yeah, for me, well, same yung name. Samantha din yung role ko before sa Avenues of the Diamond. Now, Samantha pa rin, but ang difference niya, siguro yung, syempre, yung personality ng characters. Si Samantha, like, she's very friendly, bubbly, she likes to party. Right now, my character, si Samantha dito, she's feisty, fierce, brave, palaban, ganon. Talagang magsa-struggle siya to survive. So, yun naman, katulad ng sinabi ni Lance, different genre to. So, malaki po talaga yung pagkakaiba ng series and the characters.
Thank you everyone, congratulations. Thank you, baby.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir Alan. Ngayon naman pakinggan natin si Angelica Villanueva from Manila Standard.
Hello po, and congratulations po sa the whole cast and also sa author, no. My first question will be for Zig and Hardo. Zig, okay. You mentioned earlier, na first lead role nyo in a series and before parang supporting characters lang. Ngayon, nagsingkin na ba talaga sa inyo na kayo yung lead stars din ng Hell University? And can you remember yung moment na natanggap nyo yung news na kayo yung gaganap sa lead characters?
Yeah, so till right now, everything still feels like a dream talaga. Hindi talaga makapaniwala. But it's slowly starting to sink in, especially with media conference and everything like that. But yeah, I still very much remember yung time na nakuha ko yung news. It was like 12 a.m. in the morning. I was actually about to sleep na. And then yeah, my manager called me. Sabi, Zeke, you're gonna be ace. Ganun eh, very, very straightforward yung manager ko. And para pinag-usapan na, yeah, just very surprised by that. Hindi ako mapaniwala.
How about you, Bart?
For me, I still can't believe it even until now. It's really hard to believe po talaga na I got our lead role. Oh my gosh, like that. When I got the announcement, I got it directly from boss because I was sakto nandun ako at that time. Then when she told me, I was like, I actually cried at that time. That's how unbelievable it was.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I wanna ask the author, no. Since gagawin na siya, may adaptation na siya for series, gaano ka kaka-involve sa paggawa nitong adaptation? Hands-on ka ba? Nasa set ka ba para to check?
Opo, sobrang hands-off po ako and lagi po kami nagko-communicate nila direct kung meron po sila mga gusto i-clear sa akin. Lagi po nila dinadirect sa akin if may confusing part po sa novel, lagi po nila kinoconsult sa akin. And I also, yung mga draft po nila sa akin, pinapacheck nila. Tapos pag meron po akong correction, tinatanggap naman po nila. And yes po, sobrang thankful ako na ang goal namin na maging faithful po sa source material.
Okay. Sorry, habol question. Pahabol kong tanong lang, no? For Aubrey and Lance, no? You mentioned earlier na this is far from your previous roles in Avenues of the Diamond, no? So, and may months na rin yung, or a year na rin yung lumipas bago kayo nagsama ulit sa taping. Kamusta naman yung chemistry niyo together? Nag-evolve ba?
Well, in ano naman, off-cam, like, mas naging close naman talaga kami. But, you know, on set, like, wala pa naman kaming taping together. But, yeah, we're preparing for the role. Well, me naman, I'm not new to this kind of genre because before, I've done, like, horror thrillers. So, I'm really looking forward po dito sa character na to. And yeah, it's a different ano po sa amin as a love team. Dito, yung love interest ng mga characters namin, isa't isa, but it's really different. No, hindi siya katulad na nung sa past series namin na very romantic.
Yes.
Ganon. Yeah.
Basta napag-usapan na rin namin ni Aubrey na with this new project, sobrang importante yung growth para sa amin as a love team na we can portray different characters and we can give justice again to these characters. So we're just very excited pag may mga bagong project kami natatanggap po.
Thank you and congratulations ulit.
Thank you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Moving on to Marisol Academy, we have Rodel Fernando.
Hi, kay Andre. Ano ang palaging ina-advise sa'yo ng mami mo na ngayong medyo gumaganda na ang career mo?
Thank you po. Bali, ang lagi lang po sa akin advice ni mommy pati ni daddy is to always be humble and lagi pong tatandaan na huwag pong tatapak ng ibang tao. So, yun lang naman po yung lagi nilang pinapaalala sa akin. Tsaka, enjoy din. Yun po. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Very, very wise words. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman po from Philippine Star, Dolly Ann Carvajal.
For the writer, do you believe that there's hell and heaven, or you think hell is already here on earth? Sabi nila, di ba, impyerno na daw dito.
I think po, yung Hell University po kasi yung hell talaga doon is parang metaphor siya sa mga pinagdadaanan ng mga students doon. So, if I believe in hell or heaven, yes po, I do. And although you can go there, but you can also experience hell in real life while still living on earth. And that's yun po yung about sa Hell University.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So yes, naniniwala si Kid kay Heaven and Hell. Alright, ngayon naman po, from Writer PH Studios, we have Jojo Banaligan.
Yung tama-tama sa author pa din. Paano ka napunta sa genre na to? At saka, I'm thinking because of your name, you'll stick to this genre. Tama ba?
Actually, I have different genre po. Meron ako mystery, may vampire. Pero nag-umpisa po ako sa Hell University kasi sa concept ko na inspiration ko which is The Purge. Medyo backstory lang po kasi nung may vacant class kami, nag-play yung friend ko ng movie which is The Purge, which legal po lahat ng gagawin sa specific range of time, even killing. So after po namin panoorin yun, parang nagkaroon po kami ng mga joke-joke ng mga friends ko na what if magkaroon ng The Purge sa school sa kami magtatago. So doon po daw isa na yung pinaka-concept ng university.
Thanks. And my second question to the cast, title lang please, anong paborito niyong teen horror movie?
Ano ang paborito ninyong teen horror movie? Let's start with Jemima naman, coming this way naman. Just the title.
Teen horror movie. I think this is very, like, old. I'm not that old, but I would say if you guys are familiar with Vampire Diaries.
Of course.
Yeah, Vampire Diaries, I would say. Yeah, Vampire Diaries.
Hindi siya teen movie, pero yung thema. I know everyone knows this one.
My favorite is Scream, the Drew Barrymore one. For me po, it's It.
Sorry, what's that?
It. I
It,
po.
yeah.
Yes po. I can
For me, yung I Know What You Did Last Summer. Yes.
Let's include direct na rin para
Oh,
fun.
direct, oh.
Direct Bobby and Kid.
Ayun din, I Know What You Did Last Summer and Battle Royale.
Okay.
I Know What You Did Last Summer Part 2.
Ano pa talagang part 2?
Actually, may book sa mga ghosts, so The Grudge po.
Same kami, The Purge.
Ako po yung Insidious po.
Insidious.
Ako po, Conjuring. Ako Shake, Rattle, and Roll, syempre. Yung show ko yun. The best way.
Sa akin, same din Conjuring.
Thanks guys, thanks BB.
Okay, thank you. Okay, moving on to